The history of crime at this place reads like a horror story.
Nearly 3 years after a horrifying crime claimed the life of their loved one at this apartment complex, a family is getting millions for what happened there. They say when their loved one went there on a food delivery in 2012, he had every right to feel he was safe enough to do his job. He was shot to death. 4 New Corner's Katie Jones at the Westchase Apartment complex to explain why the family took legal action against the complex.
The Westchase Apartments have been the center of many deadly crime scenes in recent years. Attorneys say the property owners knew this area was dangerous and didn't provide enough security.
I used to have a happy family.
Tears continue to fall for a family of a 23-year-old college student who was gunned down in an act of senseless violence.
His younger brother knows his brother loved him very, very much, and he cried a few days after he passed away.
Zhi Wei Huang was making a Chinese food delivery in June of 2012 at the Westchase apartment complex when he was shot and killed. 2 teens were arrested and charged with murder, but a grand jury cleared them of those charges due to lack of evidence, something the family's attorney, Christopher Marlowe, says will never bring them closure.
The history of crime at this place reads like a horror story, over and over and over again, and the response is the same.
While the criminal case is yet to be solved, the family was just awarded nearly $3.5 million in a civil suit. Marlowe says the property owners know the apartments are surrounded by violence, drugs, and danger. Westchase resident Arlene says the constant crime has her on edge.
Especially late at night, where there'll be a lot of loud voices, partying, just fights and crazy stuff going on.
She says the 2012 murder has other delivery drivers steering clear of the complex.
Nobody will deliver here now because of things like that happening. So, I mean, I can't order pizza or anything because nobody wants to deliver to here.
Attorneys say the property owners need to invest in more security or the illegal activity will only get worse.
What it results in is ignorance of the kinds of crimes that are taking place on your property. If you know what's happening on your property, if you know that people are being shot, if you know that people are being robbed, then you're going to be taking smart steps to stop those kinds of crimes from taking place.
I did reach out to property owners to see if they plan on increasing security here at the complex, but so far haven't heard back. Reporting in Fort Myers tonight, Katie Jones, Fox 4 in your corner.
All right, thank you, Katie. And we should mention that story, other story we told you about a minute ago. Justin Jones, a suspect they're looking for, happened to run in that direction today. So a crime-related story there today. Do you think the family was entitled to money from the apartment complex for the death of their loved one there? Call us or text us at 239-206-FOX4 or news at Fox 4 Now.